Oh, hi! In this video, I am going to talk about this headphone, Sony WH1000XM3. This is a noise cancelling wireless headphone. You can not only use this for watching movie or TV series just like the opening, you can also listen to music. The sound quality is good, but how to use it or how to connect this with your Walkman or smartphone, I will show you in this video now. This is Sony WH1000XM3 wireless noise cancelling stereo headset. It supports Google Assistant and high-res audio via LDAC, and this is wireless, and it has noise cancelling function. The box also shows us that this earphone can use about 30 hours. It is a long time for a trip. Look at the back. It supports hands-free calling with HD voice. 10 minutes charge, play up to 5 hours. Music playback time, maximum for 30 hours. Voice assistant function, Google apps and Siri, it supports Siri from iPhone or Apple devices. You can use headphone cable to connect this earphone as well. Plug adapter for in-flight use inside. And the difference between Mark II and Mark III, it uses USB Type-C cable to charge, and the carrying case here. It supports some technology, some unique technology from Sony, such as LDAC and DSE-HX to enhance the music quality. And then I unbox it now and show you how to connect this headphone. Okay, you can see there's a case. Don't worry, the headphone is inside the case. And our instruction guide here. Okay, I take the headphone out first. The headphone is inside this case, and I need to remove and take it out. Red is right, left is on the left. Okay, you can NFC logo is here. This is for pressure use, to balance the pressure. And this is USB Type-C port and the charging light here. The 3.5mm input is here, and the power button and a function button here. You can turn on the noise cancelling or turn off the noise cancelling function with this button, or change it into Google Assistant function button. And then the headphone cable is here, and USB cable here also. Adapter for flight use. I will show you how to connect with your Android device first. Okay, unlock your phone, and then if you have NFC function, you don't need to turn on the Bluetooth function. It will turn on automatically. Okay, remember to turn on the NFC function and then touch it. Already connected to my smartphone. You can play the music such as Spotify. I'll play it now. And then you can change the volume setting through the right hand side on the headphone. You can switch the songs, turn down the volume, turn up the volume, or pause the music and play the music here. If you want to talk to others when you are using this headphone, you can put your hand here, and then you can hear the sound outside the headphone. There is an app for this headphone, and then you can download it on App Store or on Play Store. This app is called Music. You can see the color and your model on this app, and I am using LDAC function, and the battery is 10% left. Okay, never mind. Let's see what is adaptive sound control. This app detects your actions, and ambient sound control is switched. What is ambient sound control? It can detect what are you doing automatically, and I'm staying in front of, I'm behind of the camera, and walking, running, and transport. It can change by the headphone automatically. Yeah, or you can turn off this control. You can also use the noise cancelling optimizer. It can detect the atmosphere pressure by itself, and then you can change the sound position, but you need to change the sound quality mode into SBC, stable connection, first, and then you can change. I need to play the music again. And then you can change where the sound come from, and you can change the surround function and EQ. Go to custom, and then you can change. You can add clear bass. You can play the music in this app, because this app is connected to Spotify that I used. And then you can turn on or off the DSEEHX function here. And then you can change the function button to Google Assistant function. Connect. Detecting. Unfortunately, Google Assistant is not support in Hong Kong, so if we have a chance, I will take another video to show you this function. And automatic power off. We can turn it off automatically in 5 minutes if it's lost connection with your smartphone or any other Bluetooth device. NFC is a convenient way for you to connect a Bluetooth headphone or speaker. Okay. And then press yes, and then stable connection. Or you can change the connection quality here. LDAC, sound quality preferred, and SBC, APXHD, aptX aptX or SBC, yeah, right. And then you can play the music here. You also can change the volume, stop the music and play the music. Okay, what do you think about this wireless headphone with noise cancelling function? Tell me or leave a comment after watching this video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.